Run, oh. May God not allow them, make them kill you.
What?
Jesus. Jesus.
Hey! Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Obìnrin. Obìnrin.
What is it? You're asking me what is it? You, what is this? You think I did not see you? I saw you when you were doing krukere. You followed those two boys inside. You think I did not see you? I recorded your going and your coming in, and I'm going to show your fiancé. You will see it.
Please. I don't want him to know. Don't tell him.
No. You don't want him to know. And you were doing it. You will see. You will see what will happen. I'm going to tell him. You will deal with you. That's what you are doing in this community. Don't worry.
Please don't tell him, please. I'll give you money.
You give me money.
I have some money.
I don't mind it because I look broke, Abby. You give me money because I look broke to you. I don't want your money. I'm going to tell him.
Okay, I'll double it for you.
I don't want. If you like, triple it. I don't want. I'm going to tell him.
I'll give you anything you want. Please don't feel my bad.
You give me anything.
Yes.
Are you sure you give me anything?
Yes, I'll give you.
You give me anything. You give me what you gave those boys.
You think say they wise?
Hey, you are delayed. You give me. Hey, you go first.
Hey, what? Ayé mi tèmi bá mi.
Jesus. Jesus.
Hello, brother, where you dey? Come. Call ambulance, come. First to go sleep with soldier wife, so that don't kill am. Call ambulance, come, brother, come abeg.
Photo. You think say they wise?
Oh, wow. His brother.
70 years old man.